Bitcoin investor, and what you're looking in front of you is the weekly chart of the Stellar Lumens USD pair. And we'll be taking a look at the Stellar BTC chart as well, and we will try to predict how it is going to perform in the later part of September 2020 as well as the upcoming month, the October 2020. So this is a weekly chart fetched from the exchange Poloniex, and for some weird reason the Poloniex still likes to call Stellar Lumens by its older symbol, which is SDR. Okay, so what you see here is this white line. This white line is the 20-day moving average, and we must stay above it. I've mentioned this thing many times in the past. If you are below it, it is going to act as resistance, and if you're above it, it will act as support. You see that on 20th of April, when you were above it, we were finally able to close above it. It started acting as support, and unfortunately on 31st of August we fell down because the BTC crashed, and since then this white line has started to act as resistance. And you can see that last week as well, last week we tried to break above it, could not do so. Let's see what happens this week. I am pretty bullish on the Stellar Lumens, especially on the Stellar BTC pair. On the weekly, on this USD pair as well, things are looking not too bad. When you're in doubt, just switch over to the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart, and as you can see, we are doing just fine. We are above this white line on the monthly, so no need to worry. However, the month has not closed until now. I mean, it's just 14th of September right now, and we don't know if it will be able to stay above this. So this monthly support, this is a very strong support. It actually went down below it earlier this month, and this is around 0.077, 0.078, around that. So we must not go below that. Let me mark it for you real quick. So this is the monthly support level, and we must not go below this. Let's hope we stay above this level, because it would be really bad if you close below it. I don't think we will close below it, because the monthly MACD looks really good. It is prime for pump. So if we don't pump in September, we will definitely pump in October, but definitely November. The more the accumulation, bigger the pumps, and you can see that in the past as well. From September 2014 till March 2017, the Stellar accumulated for 3 freaking years before it broke up to the upside. So naturally, it's going to do a lot of accumulation, and it has been accumulating ever since 2018. I would say it was at 24 cents in 2018, but we are having in this big box, I would say, and we really need to break out. I don't want to make some absurd predictions, but yeah, I do see Stellar reaching $1.5. Like I said in the previous video, my long-term price targets are more than $1.5, but you need to wait for 2 years or so for that. Now let's take a look at the Stellar BTC pair layer real quick. So this is the Stellar BTC pair, and this is again from the exchange Poloniex, and you can see that we are forming this pattern. This is a very bullish pattern in trading. It is called the widening something. Nevertheless, this is a very bullish pattern, but in order for this pattern to be successful, we must stay above this very line. So we must not close below this line on the weekly. So we must stay above around 750 sats or something. So we must stay above 750, 770 sats or something. So we must not go below it. We can go down, we can have a wick, but we must stay above it before the end of this week. Before somebody points out that the weekly MACD is looking bearish, keep in mind that the monthly chart is still super bullish, and we have flipped to the green side, and I hope it stays green. If it switches to something like a light red or something, no need to panic, because in October it will definitely flip to green. So what you see right now is that we are below the monthly moving average. Not good, but no need to fear, because we are very close to break above it. Let me move to the weekly view real quick. So you can see that we were above this white line between the moving average for quite a long time. Unfortunately, on the 31st of August, we went down below, but we have a rock solid support here at around 750 sats. Hopefully it will bounce from there. So what do I think is going to happen if this formation is successful? I see a massive pump to, you can see that here, 1700 sats, and after that we may go directly to 2600 sats, and after that you can see that we may even touch nearly 3000 sats before making a move to the downside back to median, which is around 836 sats. So this may happen, and it has already happened in few coins out there, so it may repeat with the Stellar Lumens BTC pair as well. So many people are bearish on Stellar right now, and that's what makes me bullish. Because when you take a look at monthly, fireworks are coming, guys. HODL, if you have HODL till now, it's not a financial advice, but do your own research. I am really looking forward to this formation, how this fares out. If we pump, good for us, and if we don't, have your stop losses ready, because it can get ugly then. And hopefully you found this video useful. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency IC news and price analysis, and hit that like button to show your support. That's all I need from you guys. Bye bye.